I can't find the board. Where's the board? Oh my God. Where's the board at? I looked outside. I looked everywhere. Where's the board? Where's the heck is this board? Oh my God. Where's this board at? I can't find it. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. Hi, Debbie. Oh my gosh. I just got here. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. It's going to fall and flood it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm freaking the fuck out, excuse my language. And there's nobody here. Look at all this water, and it's still pouring. And it's still pouring. It's continuing to pour. I can't even open this. I don't know what the heck to do. Oh my God. I want to show you in the front. What the heck, man? And my feet are dirty. I don't even want to go upstairs. And it's continuing to pour. Look at this. Oh my God. This is unreal. It's going to have to flood. I don't know where the board is. And the water is getting deeper. It's going to drain eventually. I don't know what to do. I don't know where the board is. Look at this. It's all in the kitchen everywhere. Oh my God. It's everywhere in the kitchen. And it's continuing to come in. I don't know where the board is. Roger's phone don't work, he said. Look how deep it's getting. The pins are moving now. It's too late now anyway, Debbie, because this whole Felser Pole is flooded. I don't know how the reception's in here, but it's too late now. I can't do this sideways. Oh my God. Look at this. This is unreal. Oh my God. I can't stand this phone up. I'm just gonna, I don't know. This is crazy. I gotta do something. You know what? I'm gonna go upstairs in the pastor's office. My shoes are completely soaked. God. And we haven't had a flood like this in a long time. I mean a long time. Let me put the right here. I'm gonna go upstairs, alright guys?